Good morning, students. Myself Tande Alpa. Welcome back to our class. Today, I am going to explain textbook exercise of chapter 9, and the chapter name is using primitives. So, I hope you understand all the commands, primitives. Okay. So, we will start exercise. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. ST command is used to make the turtle reappear on the screen. So ST command का full form क्या होता है students? So turtle. तो उस what it does? Reappear on the screen. कि whenever we give ST command, turtle will reappear on the screen. Now number 2. The pen down primitive allows us to put the turtle pen down on the screen. So when we have to use pen down, when we have already used pen up primitive, afterwards when we want to draw a line on the screen, then we have to give command pen down, then only we can draw a line on the screen. Okay. So number 3, the clear screen command brings the turtle to the center of the screen. So whenever we give clear screen, it means what? Our drawing is done. Now we want to clear the screen and our turtle should be on home position. Then we have to give a command clear screen. Now number 4. When we give HT command, the turtle disappear from the logo screen. So when we require HT command, the full form of HT command is hide turtle. So after draw a figure, what happened? The turtle will be on the figure only. So the figure will be not clear. Then we have to give HT command. So what will happen? The turtle disappear from the logo screen. Now number 5. To use more one primitive at a time, we must leave space. Whenever required, we have to give 2 primitives at a time. So we must leave one space between them. Okay. Now the pen up primitive orders the turtle to take the pen up from the screen. So sometimes what happens, we want to move the turtle but don't want to be a line. Okay, so we have to give command pen up. Okay. Question 2. State true or false. Now the first one is logo files are given the extension logo dot logo. It's true कि whenever our file is saved, it will be saved with name whatever given by us, but the extension of the logo file is .lgo. Now number 2, the CSCT primitives clears the picture drawn on the main screen as well as the text in commander window. So the full form of CS and CT is clear screen and clear text. तो clear है, CS will clears the main screen and the CT primitives clears the text from the command window. Okay. Now number 3, the clean command clears the picture and brings the turtle back to its home position. So for clears the screen, picture clear करने के we are using CS command. So here it is given clear command, clean command. Sorry. So this sentence is false. Question 3. Tick the commands. यहाँ पे क्या है पूछा गया है कि whatever the given commands में हम number of steps कहाँ पे दे रहे हैं. So except these two, all other are primitives, but we are not giving number of steps. Okay. So here only 2 commands. यहाँ पे 2 commands ऐसे जहाँ पे हम numbers देते हैं. तो आपको ये 2 ही कमांड पे टिक मार्क करना है, बाकी पे कुछ नहीं करना है, लीव. ओके. Now question 4, application based questions. So number 1, Vicky wants to draw a figure. Vicky को क्या करना है, एक फिगर ड्रॉ करनी है. कहाँ पे, on logo screen. However he cannot see the turtle. Which command, अभी हो क्या रहा है कि उसको ड्रॉ तो करना है बट टर्टल दिख नहीं रहा है, तो उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा टर्टल लाने के लिए. एज आई एक्सप्लेन यू कि for reappear the turtle we have to give a command st command. Okay students, I hope you understand. Now number 2, Suman is unable to clear the present in the recall list box and input box. How will you help to this step? अभी recall list books क्या है? First of all, in commander window, what is the recall list box? Whatever the command given by us, it should be listed in recall list box and input box. So from there we have to erase. तो वो erase करने के लिए हमको command देना है ct command. Question 5, MCQs. The PE command does not draw but activates the eraser. सो PE कमांड क्या है कि हम एक्टिवेट करते हैं इरेजर. जैसे आगे मैंने एक आपको पेन अप कमांड दिखाया था कि आपको टर्टल मूव करना है लेकिन लाइन ड्रॉ नहीं करवानी है, तो आप पेन अप कर सकते हो, या फिर PE करके भी पेन अप इरेज कर सकते हो. जैसे लाइन कोई ड्रॉ की हुई है और आपको इरेज करनी है, जैसे मैंने दिया FD 10, तो क्या होगा, टर्टल मूव 10 स्टेप्स फॉरवर्ड. और अभी मुझे वो लाइन, जैसे मान लो मुझे लगा ये मैंने गलत कर दिया, तो व्हाट आई विल डू, PE 10 कर दूंगी, तो क्या होगा, लाइन विल बी इरेज. कैसे, पहले तो मुझे बैक करना, कमांड्स उसको देने पड़ेंगे, देन इट विल बी इरेज. मीन्स इस एक्टिवेट क्या हो जाता है, इरेजर एक्टिवेट हो जाता है. फिर आप FD दो, बैक दो, वट एवर कमांड गिवन बाई यू, इट विल बी, लाइन ड्रॉ नहीं होगी, और या फिर ड्रॉ की होगी और आप FD करोगे या बैक करोगे तो वो लाइन इरेज हो जाएगी. नाउ नंबर 2, विच कमांड इज यूज टू मेक द टर्टल रीअपियर ऑन द स्क्रीन. एज आई एक्सप्लेन यू कि वेन एवर वी वॉन्ट टू टर्टल रीअपियर ऑन द स्क्रीन वी हैव टू गिव अ कमांड ST and it is means show turtle. Now the CS primitive clears the entire drawing from the screen but leave the command turtle at its last position. So what this clear screen primitive, CS primitive क्या करे, clears the entire drawing from the screen but leaves the command turtle at its last position. लेकिन कमांड का जो भी लास्ट, टर्टल का वट एवर द लास्ट पोजिशन, वो वहाँ पे प्लेस कर देगा. नाउ नंबर 6, विच कमांड डू वी यूज टू क्लियर द टेक्स्ट from the commander window. So in answer following, first question is clear text. commander window में से text clear करनी है तो we are using CT command. तो CT command is used to clear the text from the commander window. What is the use of PE command? Command is used to erase line while moving the turtle. हम जब टर्टल मूव करते हैं तो उसके साथ इरेज करना, तो वी आर यूजिंग PE कमांड. वाइल विच कमांड इज यूज टू लिफ्ट अप द पेन फ्रॉम द स्क्रीन. हमको पेन लिफ्ट अप करना है, मीन्स टर्टल विल मूव बट लाइन विल नॉट ड्रॉ, सो इट इज कॉल्ड लिफ्ट अप. सो पेन अप कमांड इज यूज टू लिफ्ट अप द पेन फ्रॉम द टर्टल. Why do we hide the turtle after drawing a figure? See ये कब, why it is required? We hide the turtle to view the clear drawing. So after drawing the picture, what will happen? Turtle will be also on the screen or on the figure. So to view a clear drawing, we have to hide the turtle. Which command will bring the turtle to its position after clearing the graphics and text from the screen? For that we are giving CS and city command will bring the turtle to its home position after clearing the graphics and text from the screen. So students, I hope you understand all the things. Is there any query? Is there any doubt? Will feel free to ask me. We'll definitely continue this topic in my next video. Okay, so till then, goodbye, stay safe, stay healthy.